Hello, in this video I'm going to go through how to use open as a trigger for Simplebooklet on Zapier. So the first step is to be logged into your Simplebooklet account and in the dashboard, which is this page right over here. And once you've decided which Simplebooklet you want to work with, you can go ahead and click Share right over here. And in the Share tab, under Sharing Options, you'll notice a notification section. In the notification section, you do have different types of notification options where you can either notify on email, notify on Slack, or notify on Zapier. So if we want to get a notification every time someone opens your Simplebooklet and you want to be notified on a specific platform that is not listed here, you could go ahead and head over to Zapier and we'll create a Zap for this. So on the top left corner, you want to click Create Zap. And go ahead and search for Simplebooklet. Click Simplebooklet. And in the Events drop-down menu, you want to click Simplebooklet Activity Notification. Click Continue. You'll be prompted to sign into Simplebooklet, and if you already are, you can go ahead and click Continue. And in the Trigger section for the Simplebooklet Event drop-down menu, we want to choose Open. So go ahead and click Open. And for the Simplebooklet drop-down menu, you can select a specific Simplebooklet that you want to get notified for, or you can select all of them. For this one, I'm going to select this first one and click Continue. And in the test section, you can go ahead and test your trigger by clicking Test Trigger. And then click Continue. And for the action, you can select any platform to work with. For this example, I'm going to click Microsoft Teams. And I'll choose an event of Send Channel Message. Click Continue. You'll be prompted to sign into your account. Once you've done so, you can click Continue. And then you're going to want to fill out the action details. So choosing your Microsoft Teams, the channel you want to get these notifications on for every time someone opens your booklet. So I'm going to select this channel here. And for the message text, I'll choose the title, the ID, and the create date. And then click Continue once you've filled out all those details. And in the test section, you can go ahead and click Test Action. In this way, every time somebody opens your booklet, the one that you've specified, you'll get a notification in the specific channel on Microsoft Teams. So to finish up, you can click Publish at the bottom here, and then click Publish and Turn On. And that is how you use Open as a trigger for Simplebooklet on Zapier.